Check out today's score. Hitachi C6D C2 18 volt cordless circuit saw. Now my boss gave me this to have a bit of a play around with because it's outdated, old, one of the first cordless kits he ever bought years ago, and old NiCad batteries, so their lifespan's very poor. That said, the 2 amp hour at 18 volts, they're not the lowest power NiCad packs. This one I already pulled apart because the case was a bit broken. It's got a little blade light. Would have been pretty good for its time. Now it's only just got enough power to cut a bit of timber at the moment with the old NiCad pack still in it. But my plan is pull apart this 18 volt NiCad pack, and repack it with 18 650s. Like, that's only 3.7 volts, but there's 5.7 amps there. No, 3.7. There's a fair bit of space in this little battery pack. I can stack quite a few of these. So, a recent revelation with a local supplier, and I've picked up a quantity of high quality Milwaukee brand M18. These two are 4.0 battery packs. That's a 3 amp battery pack, as you can see from the shells that we've got over there. Now, all these battery packs I've picked up, this one here is brand new. It was an out of the box failure and didn't work. This one here, you can see the red link board, the control board for it. It's all fried. Still lights up, but you can't run a tool off it. I tried squeezing these just straight on a tool. Can't run a tool off it because the red link board's stuffed. I don't know whether it's concrete dust or what that is. 3 amp one was a similar story. Lights up and says it's full though, even though it doesn't work when you plug it onto a tool. This one, these 3 are all charged. The brand new one only had 9 volts in it when I started charging it, which is way too low for 5 of these in series, but charged it up back up to 21, not an issue at all. But this one here, it's on the charger at the moment. It's up to 19.2 volts, taking 5 amps, which is alright with these Milwaukee batteries. They're tough enough to handle just under 5 amps going into them. That's fine, especially when they're 4 amp hour. That's only just over 1C. So I've got a couple of these, so I'm going to pull all these apart and get the cells all individualised, and then do the charge and discharge thing with them. Yeah.